Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Math Sahab. Today I shall discuss about one question from NCERT 12th Maths. That question has been taken from chapter 1 Relation and Function. Question number 3, exercise 1.3 equal to find g of f and f of g, comma, if Roman 1 fx equal to mod x and gx equal to mod 5x minus 2 mod. Roman 2 fx equal to 8x cube and gx equal to x raised to power 1 over 3 full stop. Now come out to the solution. Solution equal to Roman 1 given that fx equal to mod x mod and gx equal to mod 5x minus 2 mod. What you will do in this case? Here you can see you have to find out g of f. So here write g of f, and now here you can see x is related to mod x, and here in case of g, relation g, x is related to here x. That's why here you can see in g of f, last letter is f here. F will be related to x, that's why here in bracket write x equal to g of f in bracket x equal to. Here first letter is g, write here g, and in place of o, write here half circle bracket, and here fx is there, write here fx bracket equal to. Now here you can see in circle bracket, inside the circle bracket fx is there. So first of all this g will be written here, and inside the circle bracket fx is there. The value of fx will be taken from this place. So here you write mod x mod circle bracket equal to, here you can see g, inside the circle bracket mod x is there. So here you can see g x. So here in place of x, I shall write mod x. So this will become, here you can see mod is there, write here mod. Here write 5 is there, 5 8. Here in place of x, I shall write mod x mod. So here write mod x mod, minus 2 is there, write here minus 2 mod. This will be the correct answer of g of f x equal to this one, will be the correct answer. Now come out to FOG. So here I shall write FOG. Here you can see g is related to x. Here you can see g is related to x. So here f of g, last letter g, will also take x in bracket. Why g will take x? Why last letter g is related to x? Because here g is related to x. output is also in terms of x. That's why here g will be related to x. That this will become first letter f is there, right here first letter f. In place of small o, write half circle bracket. Inside write here gx equal to. Now here you can see value of gx. Value of gx will be taken from this place. So here I shall write. Here you can see value of gx. So here you can write f of gx. So in place of gx, you can write this value. So what to do here? Here I shall write f. In place of gx, I can write 5x minus 2 mod bracket close equal to. Now come out to here. Here you can see f is there, f is there. In place of x, here it is given mod 5x minus 2 mod. So here it will become output is this one. So here you will write mod. In place of x, we shall write mod 5x minus 2 mod mod. So this will become mod 5x minus 2 mod. This will be the correct answer. So now here I have got g of fx equal to mod 5 mod x minus 2 mod. That will be the correct answer. Here f of g x equal to mod 5x minus 2 mod. This is the correct answer. Now take question number 2. Question number 2 here I shall write. Here it is given. Right here given that fx equal to 8x cube and gx equal to x raised to power 1 over 3. The things given in the question I have reflected here. Roman 2 given that fx equal to 8x cube and gx equal to x raised to power 1 over 3. I have written. So what you have to get? G of f. So here I shall write g of f. Here you can see in this case also f is related to x. Here also g related to x. That's why here in g of f, last letter is f. F will be related to x. Here write x equal to. Now first letter is g there, right here g, and this is small o will be converted into half circle bracket. So open here half circle bracket. Here write f x bracket equal to. Here g will be written as it is. And in place of fx, you will write this one fx. So in open here circle bracket. In place of fx, here fx there, here fx here. So in place of fx, write here 8x cube. So here I shall write 8x cube equal to. Here you can see g is there, here g is there. In place of x, here written 8x cube. So here I shall write in place of x, we shall write 8x cube whole के power. In place of x, we shall write 8x cube whole raised के power 1 over 3 equal to. Now here we can write, open here curly bracket. Prime factors of 8 will be 2 raised to power 3, that will be one bracket, dot here x raised to power 3, close the curly bracket, 1/3 comes out to be. Here you can see 2 raised to power 3, whole raised to power 3. It will become 2 raised to power 3, whole raised to power 1/3, dot. Here x raised to power 3, x raised to power 3, whole raised to power 1/3. So this will become, here you can see in base 2 is there, 3 is power here and whole ke power 1/3 is power here. So the 3 into 1/3 both will be operated together, you will get 1. So here we can write 2 ke power 1. In second bracket also I shall write x ke power 1. So this will become 2x. This will become 2x. So 2x will be correct answer of G of f. Now come out to next f of G. So here write f of G. So here you can see G is related to x. Here you can see G is related to x. Output is also in terms of x. So here G will be related to x. So here write x. Now first letter is F. Write here first letter F. And in place of O, open half circle bracket. Inside write Gx like this equal to, here first letter is F, write here F. In place of Gx, we shall write this one. So here I can write in small bracket, in place of Gx, this x raised to power 1/3 will be written. So here I shall write x raised to power 1/3 will be written here equal to, here you can see f in bracket x raised to power 1/3 bracket close is there. So here you can see fx. So in place of x we shall write x raised to power 1/3. This will become 8. In place of x I shall write x raised to power 1/3 whole to power 3. So this will become 8 will remain as it is, and 1/3 raised to power 3 it will become 8x. 8x. F of G x is equal to 8x. This will be the correct answer. Today I have explained question number 3, exercise 1.3, question, sub question, Roman 1, Roman 2 in detail. Later on I shall take some more questions on relation function. Okay guys, thanks.